Making bonsai tree is a creative artwork for any garden lover. It takes many years to be an expert. You have to learn certain skills and to be very patient. So it is very costly when you are going to buy a bonsai tree for your home decoration. I am not an expert. I am still working on it. Whatever I learn, I just love to share with you so that you can make your own bonsai plant at your home with no cost at all. If you are a beginner, I would suggest go for a jade plant first because you get such type of texture on the trunk quickly, I mean in 1 or 2 years. Now we will start with pruning. See, any bonsai tree, this thick trunk should be noticed. So you have to cut all the lower branches. Then choose the front view of your bonsai tree. Then accordingly cut all the branches which are blocking the front view or unnaturally twisted branches. Then the next technique is wearing to save the branches. I use this copper wire, wrap it gently around the branches the way I am doing here. Then you can bend them to your will in future. But make sure to remove this wire later once you notice the digging mark on the branches. Now I have lots of cuttings to propagate, and these whole small cuttings will go to my compost bin. If it will help you in some way, give your feedbacks in the comment box. That will help me to grow more and to make more videos for you. Thank you so much for watching this till the end.